if you seen my last video I posted earlier this week, I just bought some items from ColourPop, and I did take the rest of my nails off pending getting done. And what I'm about to try is the two pressed glitters. So if you don't remember, it's Firebird and Cloudy. And then as you can see, I already did my face, and I am going to try the highlighter as well. It's called Wisp, W-I-S-P. And also the gel liner. I'm going to use that under my eye. Try to do somewhat of a dramatic look. We'll see how this little combination works out. But the gel liner is black and it's called Swerve. So gel liner, the two pressed glitters I bought, and the highlighter. I didn't try the tinted moisturizer because if you saw my swatch, it was lighter than my complexion. So I'm going to go to Ulta and see if I can find a color one closer to my skin tone. So maybe like I think it was a dark 18W. I think it was dark 18W. So I'm going to try that one. Go to Ulta today or tomorrow and get that color and see how that works out. Otherwise, yeah, so let's get to it. I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Primer. Some people use clear lash glue, and I like that as well too, for especially like for chunky glitter. But for like these fine pressed glitters, I'm just going to use the glitter gel for today. As far as a palette I'm going to use for like my transition colors, this one is called EyeSeek. And I just bought this off of Amazon. It was inexpensive. It was no more than $20. Probably less than $20. At most $20. So with this, I got to pack on the colors pretty well. So let's get started. Let's see how ColourPop is popping. Let me see. Like I said, I don't want to do anything too dramatic. This whole eye look wasn't planned. I'm just working off my dome here. So let's get it started here. And for this to be at most, I know it was between $15 and $20. I could tell you that much. But for this to be inexpensive, I'm getting some color payoff. So don't come for me and trying to budget during this quarantine, okay? But as you can see, the color payout is worth it. I said I'm gonna do something simple, didn't I? Okay, well, let me just get straight to the glitter, because I'm gonna end up doing some extra stuff. I might put some skull face and some glitter all over my face. So I'm gonna just, okay, so this is the NYX Glitter Primer. And since I'm doing eyeliner anyway, I really don't want to waste none of this glitter primer. On other areas. So that's that one. We're gonna make sure I got some primer nice and coated on there so it can pick up. And let me make sure I swatch, since I did swatch the other one. This is Cloudy, and right next to the Firebird, this is how that looks. So Cloudy and Firebird from ColourPop. Oh, down there, kicking in my stomach. Yes, I'm pregnant. All right, let's see. Oh, it don't even look like a little piece of. I don't usually do purples and pink eyes. I did one this weekend for a photo shoot, but I usually don't do them on myself. Tell me what y'all think. See, and this one I got the powder right here. So now I'm gonna go in with Cloudy. Let me see. I mean, Firebird. Cheers! Alright. Now I want to try. Alright, so we got the glitter on. I did it! I did tell you I was going to put on this highlighter, so I'm about to get this all off my face, the powder, and then line on the top lash, line my top lash, put lashes on, and then we're going to see how this works, okay? Okay. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Like I said, I brushed off the powder, added a little bit of blush, and then I lined off my lines and lashes. But before I get into the highlighter, I do want to shout out in light of Black History Month, the Black-owned lash line company called FiveStarStylez. And this style that I'm wearing is E89, so support the girls at FiveStarStylez. I will have their information in the description below. FiveStarStylez, thank you for these lashes. ColourPop. I did forget, so I am so sorry, but did forget to record me putting on the highlighter. But as you can see, I did put some right here, and I think I put too much on this side, but you can definitely, let me see, I'll try to put some on right now for you guys so you can see it. I hope you like my eye look. I got it like blended out somewhere. It's not just look like it just got plopped there. Now look, oh my gosh, I went too far. See, this is why I didn't want to put some extra on for y'all. I knew I was going to end up messing it up. Okay. So as you can see, it's definitely showing. Some people put like this little right there on their lip. I do it sometimes, but otherwise, I don't need nothing else on this side. Yeah, I just wanted to show you the highlighter, and I hope you like it. Well, thank you so much for watching. So again, I reviewed the two pressed glitters, Firebird and Cloud. Also reviewed their black gel eyeliner, Swerve, and then their wisp highlighter as well. So I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for sitting there and watching it. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day and the rest of your Black History Month. Bye.